Hello, this is Mrs. Wynn, and this video is to instruct you on how to create the formula to calculate the miles walked in a week for Miss Fulton's PE class assignment. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet that Miss Fulton provided for you. That's very nice of her. And I've completed the steps taken for the first week. So it calculated to 47,000 steps. Then I have to create the formula to convert those steps into miles. So I'm going to select the cell, and then I'm going to type the formula here in the formula bar. Formulas always start with the equal sign, so the first thing I'm going to do is type equals. And Ms. Fulton was even so nice to provide the formula right here. So I'm going to hit parentheses, and stride length varies per person. For example, just for the sake of example, I'm going to put 70 because I read that's the average for women, so 70 centimeters. Then put the multiplication sign, which is the apostrophe, which is the star, and then the steps for the week is this cell right here. So I'm going to click on this cell, which is H4. Then I'm going to close the parenthesis and put the divide sign, 5280. Hit enter. So if I truly walked all these steps, I would have walked 623.11 miles that week. So I'm going to do it again here. I'm going to select I7. I'm going to write the formula one more time. Equals, open parentheses, 70 times the cell, which is H7. Close the parentheses, divide by 5280. Let me just put in some numbers so it calculates. Okay, so you see how in this one the is only 2 places for the decimal, and in this cell I7 there's a lot of numbers after the decimal. So I'm going to format that cell. So format cells, and click on number, and I want 2 decimal places, and I'll hit OK. And so see how it changes. So I have my formula, I have it formatted. Now I'm going to copy this formula for this whole section. So I'm going to drag, and if I click on each cell has a section, each cell has the formula. Okay, so I'm going to do it one more time for this one. 70 times H13, close the parenthesis, divided by 5280. Enter, and drag. Equals, open parentheses, 70 times steps for the week, which is the cell, close parentheses, divide by 5280. Drag again, and last time, equals parentheses 70 times H26, close the parentheses, divided by 5280, and then drag it. Okay, and I want to double check to make sure that the formatting of the numbers has only 2 numbers after the decimal place, so I'm going to hit OK. I'll do that for this one too, just to be sure. And there you have it.